power to pray. We are represented communicate the time of the individual. Time stops for no one. Time has no need to rush or go slow. From the moment we wake up until the moment we go to sleep, we should be on urge to fight with nothing. Fight with nothing. We heard these motivational speakers with their struggles and the road to victory. Thinking we can do the same and somehow make us free of the dream we pray for so long. We need not achieve to give up or we keep our head up high. That eventually will accomplish our goals in the for the sky. Not to be seen in this, because in our eyes big. Do not feel so broken and happy. Pray to our God and ask for a chance and hope that the one that will shut the door from one time. You see, I want to be motivated. To the point where no one will let me can bring that. With the job, I work for the shortest living market. Once I reach my aim, with its experience and dedication, will help me grow to become stronger. Instead of destroy any kind of happiness and full of heart, I will try. Sometimes I feel asked what I have to say and what I think may not do enough. That life right now is just about being man and trying to survive. And willingly, I will be trying. Because I start to feel like this. Why to become who I want to be as many years? Sad, as a lot. I mean, yes, it will give a smile and strength and stop myself. With its deep videos on my phone at night. But then, I don't have the room to fight. Instead of Lola, when you feel alone. And it's not fair to the ones who love me and fight for me without I know myself. I need to create motivation for myself. Not allow my hand to become a sorrow. I'm not lifeless, so I'm not just good enough. Or who I am is not what others want me to be. Maybe, hopefully, I can reflect to you. Not raise them for death, but by the determination to push forward. Push for my dream and hope others are there to support them. It's a new journey, and at times all I want to do is cry. But if I keep going, then I will no longer be pushed into the depths